Hello dear students and friends. This is Dr. Vikas Sadhav, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Sanjivani Mahavidhyalaya, Sapoli. I welcome to all the class of BSc first year Statistics for semester 2nd. In previous semester, we have discussed two papers, that is paper first, descriptive statistics and computing, and paper second, the elementary probability theory. Dear students, now today we are going to discuss or start this semester second. In this semester, we are study again two different papers, that is paper number 3 and 4. The paper number 3 is a theory of variables and attributes, and paper number 4, their discrete probability distribution. In paper number 3, theory of variables and attributes, there are 5 chapters or units. First unit, bivariate data and correlation. Second, linear regression. After that, chapter unit 3, fitting of curves. Unit 4, theory of variables, and last, that is computation using Microsoft Excel. Now we directly start the unit first. So these all chapters are covered in this book or scope of syllabus. Dear student, you can go through this book. The book name is Fundamental of Mathematical Statistics, author by S.C. Gupta and V.K. Kapoor. This is a very important book for undergraduate as well as postgraduate. So dear student, you can go through this book. These all are the page number of Fundamental of Mathematical Statistics. This is easy for you. You can go through chapter 10, 11 and 13. These all are the paper numbers, and these 5 chapters are covered in this book. So dear student, now we directly start unit 1, that is bivariate data and correlation. So these are the contents of unit first. First, we discuss graphical method of represents bivariate data. Then next, scatter diagram. What are the basic concepts of correlation and the methods of correlation, that is Karl Pearson product moment correlation and its important properties. Independence and uncorrelatedness. Another one method, that is Spearman rank correlation coefficient and its important properties. And after that, we derive the derivation of rank correlation coefficient formula. These all points are covered in this chapter. Dear students, as per the title of the unit first, that is bivariate data and correlation, there are two concepts. First is bivariate, then correlation. Okay, first we must know what is bivariate data and correlation. Okay, simply you know bi means 2, TWO, 2, and variate means variable. It is X variable and Y variable. Okay, when we come to variables, that is called as bivariate data. For example, here X variable and Y variable. The X is the income of family. X is the income of family, and Y is the expenditure of family. Or you can go through head or tail. If you tossing a single coin, tossing a coin, there are two possibilities, either head or tail. Okay, these are the variable X, these are two variable X and Y. Okay, so now bivariate data, it means we require data regarding two concerned variable. The data are called as bivariate data. Okay, students. So you understand? Bivariate means we simply two, and variate means the variables, the variable X and Y. Variable X is the income and Y is the expenditure. Okay, students. Now we come to the correlation. Okay. Correlation, the exact definition, the extent of linear relation to the two variable is called correlation. Okay, what is the definition? The extent linear relation the two variable is called, means these two variable, the bivariate, whenever data is come, the bivariate like income and expenditure. Okay, here two variables. The extent of the linear relation to the two variable is called as correlation. For example, many a time we come across situations where two variables are intercorrelated. For example, the height of son and that father, or consumptions of electricity and amount of the electricity bill. Or you can go another simply example, rainfall and agriculture production, demand and price of a certain commodity. So these all are the examples of correlation. Simply correlation means the relationship between two variable. The relationship between two variable. As per I told you that as discussion of the examples, height of son and that father. Similarly, consumption of electricity and the amount of electricity bill. These are the basic example of correlation. So these are the basic concepts before starting the unit 1. What is bivariate data and correlation? Such intercorrelated variable are called the correlation variable. Okay, students. Now we are going to discuss next topic, that is scatter diagram. What is scatter diagram? The scatter diagram in correlation problem, first you have investigate whether there is any relation between variable say x and y. For this purpose you use the scatter diagram. What is the purpose of scatter diagram? If you study the correlation, then you must investigate whether there is any relation between the two variable. Okay, the variable x is dependent variable and y is independent variable, or in statistics x variable is called as explanatory variable, that is dependent variable, and y is independent. This is okay. This is simply say x is a dependent and y is independent. Okay, this is the purpose of scatter diagram. In scatter diagram you must need rectangular coordinate points, the two quantitative variables, that is this is the variable x and variable y. One variable is called dependent variable, that is x, and the second variable is called as dependent variable, independent and dependent variable. Points are not joined, like you see this figure, the x coordinate and y variable and x variable and y variable, points are not joined. Now frequency table, no frequency table, there is no necessary for frequency table. Okay, so after the clear the idea, the scatter diagram, we come again the correlation. Correlation is a relationship between two variables. The data can be represented by the order pair, means x and y, where x is a dependent variable, or you can say explanatory variable, and y is the dependent variable, is called as response variable. As a scatter plot can be used to determine whether a line, straight line, coordinate exists between two variables, or you can simply go through the example. So here x variable and y variable, the values of x variable is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. For the y variable, -4, 2, -2, -1, 0, 2. Okay, sorry, one second. Okay, so as per the values of variable x and y, we come some points, that is y variable -4, -2, -1. These 3 points are the minus point, and this is 0 and this is 2. So this is the example of the scatter diagram, and the value of the variable x and y plotted in x coordinated and y, variable y and x. Okay, are you understood, dear students? Okay, thank you.